Good morning, students. Welcome to your biology class. So, this video is in continuity with the previous video of the chapter pollution. And the main objectives we are covering in this video are biomedical waste, biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste, pesticides, noise pollution and sources of noise pollution, and last is radioactive pollution and sources of radioactive pollution. So first of all, we will be discussing biomedical waste. Waste from hospital is called biomedical waste. It includes needles, syringes, dirty dressings, expired drugs, cotton, anatomical parts, etc. These are often infected and are capable of spreading diseases. The untreated waste can mix with the soil and pollute it. Next is biodegradable waste. The biodegradable waste broken down and decompose into soil. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi decompose the waste goods as simple compounds. The simple compounds are used as the nutrients by other living organisms. The biodegradable waste includes peels of fruits and vegetables, leaves, grass, wood, paper, clothes, cow dung, dried leaves, and leftover foods. Next is non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste includes those materials which do not break down or decompose in the soil. The important non-biodegradable waste is made up of plastic goods, polythene bags, synthetic clothes, metals, chemicals, glass, cans, radioactive waste, and DDT. DDT, it is a pesticide. Now talking about pesticides. So pesticides are the chemicals used in the agriculture practices in order to destroy pests of the crop plants. Pesticides like DDT used to kill pests in agriculture, being chemical in nature, caused pollution, harming human life indirectly. Presently, milder pesticides are being used, but even these are pollutants. DDT basically alter the structure of the soil, kill microorganisms in it, and may even reach the human body through the food grown in such soils. Next is noise pollution. Noise pollution is the production of unwanted sound which interferes with human communication, comfort, health, etc. Sources of noise pollution. So sources of noise pollution includes automobiles, trains, and other means of road transportation. So various means of transportation are the biggest source of noise pollution. The number of auto vehicles is fast increasing in the modern world. Traffic noise is particularly severe in the urban areas. Fast running trains also cause noise pollution along the rail tracks. So next source of noise pollution is the jet airplanes. So taking off and landing of aeroplanes causes unbearable noise pollution. Next, workshops. Running of workshops and running machines produced very loud sound. The sound is really very irritating. So loudspeakers, radios, and musical bands. So during festivals and marriages, use of loudspeakers, radios, musical bands are very common. So the noise produced by all these sources are unbearable and causes noise pollution. Next is some other sources of noise pollution. So various industries, various types of electric appliances used in kitchen and houses are some other common sources of noise. Moreover, operations such as blasting, bulldozing, construction work, stone crushing, etc. have become disturbing irritants and sources of noise pollution. So, next is radioactive pollution. So, radioactive pollution is the physical contamination of air, water, and soil with radioactive materials. It is a form of energy consisting of high particles. Sources of radiation. So radioactive elements like uranium, radium, and cesium produce radiations and causes radioactive pollution. Man-made radiations, so radiations from nuclear power plants, atomic power plants, radioactive isotopes, nuclear fallouts, and X-rays are used in the fields of medicine and create a lot of radioactive pollution. Thank you.